Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make Squid Game in Infinite Craft. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. If you want to create Squid Game in Infinite Craft, it's an easy thing to do. Just follow the steps I'm doing here. Match the words as my one to create Squid Game. Now match lightning and cloud. Squid has been already made. Now match Squid and gaming to create Squid Game. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.